Hi, I'm Amy Karanik. I'm in the Sculpey studios to show you the fashion icon DIY oven baked clay accessories. Sometimes when you're first starting out with clay, it can be confusing to know where to start. What kind of clay would you like to use? What do you want to make? What kind of techniques would you like to learn? We created this kit to help you get started with jewelry making so that it's easy and fun. In the kit, you get everything you need to begin clay creating. You get four bars of Primo, which is my favorite clay. White, ecru, gray granite, and graphite pearl. Just a really beautiful neutral palette. You get a clay roller for making really nice, flat, even sheets. A needle tool for piercing beads and for adding texture to flat pieces of clay. A very sharp blade for sectioning clay and for cutting straight lines. And a design template to help you cut out some really nice fashion shapes. Included in the kit is this detailed instruction booklet with step-by-step photos and tutorials to make all of the projects that you see here. You've got enough clay to complete 3 or 4 of your favorite projects. When you're all done, you add your own jewelry findings to complete your creations.